Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add tag in your Fiverr gigs. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, we have dashboard, my business, growth and marketing, analytics, and here you're gonna find notifications, messages, help and resources, and lastly, in the top right corner, you're gonna find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it, and then right here you're gonna find which to buy in, profile if you want to view your profile, refer a friend, settings, billing and payment, your language, your currency, and lastly, the logout option. Go ahead and click on your profile. And then, as you can see, guys, right here, you can customize your profile. You can change your profile picture, change your name, your username. Here, you can add or edit your description. You can also add languages, add skills, your education, and lastly, certification. And here in the right, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find your active gigs. As you can see, guys, there is no active gig in my case, and you're gonna find also the drafts. So right now, for example, I'm gonna click on create a new gig, and then you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically, guys, in order to create a gig, to publish it, you need to go through all of these 6 steps. So there is the overview, there is the pricing, description, and frequently asked questions, requirements, gallery, and lastly, publish. So here in the overview, you're gonna find firstly, you need to make a gig title. As your gig storefront, your title is the most important place to include keywords that buyers would likely use to search for a service like yours. So there is a gig title, category, you need to select a category and also a subcategory. And from here, you can add your tags. So once you finish adding your tags, go ahead and click on save and continue, and then you will continue to the next step. So you can um, publish your gig. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.